You've got a yacht. You drive a car that turns heads. You stay in places where the staff know your name. You fly business class. You've earned all of it. But let's be honest, why are you still stuck in traffic? A private plane isn't a dream. It's a better way to live. No delays, no terminals, no compromises, and no $1.5 million ego tax. Because now, there's ANG. ANG is the most capable aircraft in its class, period. 4 to 5 seats. The widest cabin available, over 6 inches, 15 centimeters, wider than a Cirrus or a Diamond. A space designed for humans, not helmets. It's the only aircraft in the category that carries 4 adults, 220 pounds, 100 kilograms of baggage, and flies 1,550 miles, 2,500 kilometers, non-stop. Cruise speed between 170 and 200 knots, depending on altitude. That's 195 to 230 miles per hour, or 310 to 370 kilometers per hour. Fuel burn, just 4.2 gallons per 100 miles, or 10 liters per 100 kilometers using regular autogas. Cost per hour, around $55. Cirrus, try $250 plus per hour, if you're lucky. Even your yacht burns more fuel just leaving the dock. This isn't about aviation. It's about owning your time. While others check boarding passes, you're already descending. Weekend in Aspen or the Alps. Lunch in Napa or Munich. Dinner in the Keys or Provence. No security lines. No rental cars. No one asking, window or aisle. You don't fly commercial anymore. You fly personal. ANG isn't a plane. It's part of your standard, like your yacht, like your wine cellar, like your refusal to settle. ANG isn't for everyone, and that's the point. The wait list is growing, because the ones who know don't hesitate. So let's be honest. Why are you still flying someone else's schedule? ANG, own the sky. Fly like it's normal, because now it is.